Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Clandeboye is a small rural community in the rural municipality of St. Andrews, located north of Winnipeg. With a population of only a few hundred people, it has a quiet, close-knit atmosphere typical of communities in the Interlake region. The area is surrounded by farmland, open fields, and scattered homes, giving it a distinctly rural character shaped by agriculture and local traditions. The community of Clandeboye developed in the late 19th century as settlers moved into the region to farm the land. Many of these settlers were of European origin, including Irish immigrants, which is reflected in the name Clandeboye, derived from a region in Northern Ireland. As with many prairie communities, the establishment of farms, small businesses, and local institutions helped create a stable settlement that supported families and agricultural life. Agriculture remains the foundation of the local economy. The surrounding land is used for a mix of grain farming and livestock production, depending on the conditions of the season and soil. Fields stretch across the landscape, and the rhythm of planting and harvest continues to define daily life. This connection to the land is central to understanding both the history and the present-day identity of Clandeboye. Clandeboye's location places it within the Interlake region, an area between Lake Manitoba and Lake Winnipeg. This geography influences the climate and landscape, with flat terrain, wide skies, and a mix of farmland and natural areas. The openness of the land is a defining feature, offering long views across the prairie and a strong sense of space that is characteristic of rural Manitoba. Although small, Clandeboye is connected to nearby communities and services through local roads and highways. Residents often travel to surrounding towns or into Winnipeg for schools, healthcare, and shopping. This pattern is common in rural areas where smaller communities are part of a broader regional network that supports daily life while maintaining local independence. Today, Clandeboye remains a small but steady part of Manitoba's rural landscape. For visitors, it offers a simple and authentic view of life on the Canadian prairies.